This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play the Dragon Clan in Northgard. This unique faction thrives on early game aggression and a distinct economy. You'll learn to leverage your powerful Dragonkin units, which replace standard villagers for both combat and resource gathering. We'll also cover the crucial sacrifice mechanics that grant powerful bonuses and how to manage your resources effectively to maintain high happiness and ensure a strong, growing empire. For a strong start with the Dragon Clan, focus on rapid exploration to uncover vital resources and expand your territory. Building a Dragonkin altar early is key to beginning the production of your unique units. Prioritize food and wood to fuel your population growth and the essential sacrifice rituals. Deploy your initial Dragonkin to clear out hostile zones, securing strategic locations and giving you an early advantage over your opponents. As you move into the mid-game, establishing multiple Dragonkin altars will significantly boost your Dragonkin output. Master the art of sacrifice, using it strategically to gain powerful, temporary buffs that can turn the tide of battles or accelerate your economy. Continue expanding your territory, colonizing resource-rich zones, and upgrading your essential buildings. Remember to fortify key defensive positions to protect your growing empire from any encroaching enemies. In the late game, maintaining a robust military, featuring upgraded Dragonkin and your powerful war chiefs, is paramount. Shift your focus towards achieving your chosen victory condition, whether it's through accumulating fame, mastering ancient lore, or outright domination. Continue to perform sacrifices to sustain powerful buffs and ensure your economy remains strong. Be prepared to defend against late-game assaults from rival clans as you execute your final strategy for victory.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.